Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how you can collect daily magic cash on your Myntra account. So I will tell you in this video what is that. So first you have to click on search right here, Myntra. Here it is the account, this is my profile. So here it is daily Myntra cash magic, win up to 200 rupees now. So you can see scratch card prices, so they will give you something rupees every day. You can see today I have got 4 rupees. 7 day it is expired because I have not collected much. So you can see highest I will get you can see 25 rupees. I think 100 I will get maximum. 40 you can see, 150 something. So there are lots of cashes are here, you can collect it and it will show you here. You can see, you can just simply tap on here. So my cash balance is 4. You can just redeem it and it will be expired under 7 days. So you have to keep in mind, whenever you want to buy something, use my cash. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.